we will here for 15 seconds. And I'm gonna tap it on because we're gonna do some crystal placements on it. All right, 15 seconds. And again, I am gonna do a number 2 as well. It looks a number 2. Oh, this looks good, like it looks a purplish. And this one is more like a green. It's hard to tell different, but you can see it, like experience it really like on yourself right away, the difference of it. Just pick it up, just a little bit, go a long way. I don't know if I want to put it all. I am gonna swatch them all, and then I'm gonna do a crystal placement after that. How about that? You can see a greenish look. Look at that. It's a fleck on. Ah, I pick it up. Look at this one nails. I use just a little bit. And if you rub it, it's gonna be like become chrome. I don't want to be rub it in because I want you to see that. Really cool. And let's do the number 2. Apply top coat on the number 2 and clear for 15 seconds. Same thing, I'm gonna apply some number 3 and clear for 15 seconds as well. Oh, number 4 with 15 seconds as well. I have a number in here so I know that I am going by numbers, so we won't get it wrong way. Hello everyone's on Facebook and Instagram and on YouTube as well. 15 seconds on this one. I am going to swatch this one. Oh, this one, it looks so pretty too. I don't know, it's hard to pick which one because they're all different. And keep in mind, if you are applying the top, on the top of different gel polish color, it's gonna give you a different effects on the top. This one is like pink, purplish. Great. Looks really cool. It's so pretty. All right, so we're going at number 4. This one, it looks like green, bluish. Ooh, that's pretty, like golden green. This one to see, obviously, I don't know which one I have on my nails. I think I have number 9 on my nails. Can you check in the comments, please? This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side. And then we're gonna do in number 5. I'm gonna apply the top coat first. "15 seconds for this one as well." Hey, Tammy, how are you? Same, I have number 7, so I'm gonna do that as well. So you can have both of them done as well. Thanks so much for tuning in on Facebook. 15 seconds on this one. It's number 5. And you can do it right on the top of the gel polish, or you can do it right on the liquid powder, or you can use it as dramatic glitter. This is really cool. If you want to get a looks like flaky look like this, so don't rub it in, just dab it like this. And you can have it more, like it depends on how much you want on it. You want few of them, just that few. You want a lot, you want full covers of it, but you want to still see the effects of it, the flicking. Number 5, beautiful. And then move on to number 7. And we have number 9. It looks like greenish, no, bluish stuff. Looks cool. It looks like blue. I don't know, it looks blue or green. Really cool. So good on Instagram and Facebook. Different setup, so I don't know how does that work. Oh, this one looks really cool. All right, 7. And the number 9, I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat again, and I am going to apply on number 9. Oh, somehow I probably didn't do a leads right. And no wipe top coat again. Continue to swatch all of this for you to see. Okay, 15 seconds for this one. Hi Nuna, hi Foxy. Thank you so much, Foxy. Hi, Rafe About Nails. Hello. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Hey, Miss Elsa. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Oh, hi, Mersa. Hello, how are you? Perry? Did I say it right? Okay. This is the last one. I think that's one I accidentally tapped somehow. It just spilled everywhere, but don't worry. This is perfect when you're doing gel polish as well, so you can using it for like liquid and powder and a gel polish. I don't want to cover completely everything because it looks cute like that. Ooh, they're totally different. I'm gonna close this because look like I am going to make a mess now. They're different, and I'm so excited to do a crystal placement on this one. It's hard to show under camera though, like this. I try to show it. I'm start making a mess right now because they're all flicking everywhere because I did all of them at the same time. That's okay. I think I have one drop right there. Okay. Oh, look at this. As much as I really enjoying it, but it's just like taking away from our background right here. All right, so here you go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Let's see. So it like